Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.5. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 1.35%. This equates to an average return of 0.15% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout at the upper trend line at $567.79 will initially indicate a stronger rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 7.23% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 6.20% to positive 10.57%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 4.73%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 12.33% to positive 8.67% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $482.79 and $598.40. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The VOO ETF price gained 1.02% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025. It rose from $545.09 to $550.66. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.676%, with a low of $548.70 and a high of $552.41. The price has been showing variability during this period, resulting in a gain of 2.73% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.6 billion. It is important to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price stands 2.35%, or $13.24, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 has recently achieved a significant milestone by closing above the 6,000 mark, a level considered crucial for investor sentiment. This psychological threshold could affirm bullish views among investors, potentially leading to increased buying activity in the short term. However, despite this upward movement, market analysts are cautioning that the index may struggle to maintain this level due to ongoing uncertainties in the economic landscape. Recent reports indicate a mixed jobs picture, with the United States Department of Labor revealing an employment increase that contrasts with earlier disappointing data. This divergence suggests resilience in the job market, which could lend support to stock prices and consumer confidence. On the flip side, predictions from market experts like Tom Lee forecast a potential 10% rise in the S&P 500 for 2025, which, while optimistic, reflects the uncertainty stemming from external factors such as import tariffs that previously pressured the index. Furthermore, analysts are keeping a cautious eye on global markets that are also reaching all-time highs, indicating heightened risk. As the S&P 500 attempts to consolidate its gains above 6,000, the focus will be on whether it can break through its recent downtrend, a move that would be bullish for further price increases in the long term. The evolving backdrop of economic indicators and investor sentiment will be crucial in determining the S&P's trajectory, potentially impacting exchange-traded funds like VOO that track this benchmark. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at $545.77 and $525.44. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, the ETF has risen by 20.56%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could influence short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 42 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $499.10 and $465.52. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this could lead the fund to fall to the next support level. In this case, VOO finds support just below today's level at $499.10. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $465.52 and $463.56. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. During the last day, the fund experienced a range of $3.71 between its high and low, which is approximately 0.676%. Over the past week, the fund has averaged daily volatility of 0.94%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the exchange-traded fund could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $499.10. If this support level holds, it could represent a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $531.94, which reflects a decrease of 3.4%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in a minimal risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 41 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators combined with a generally positive trend suggest that this may be a favorable buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have revised our analysis from holding or accumulating to recommending it as a buy candidate. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we anticipate that VOO will open lower by 7 cents and begin trading at $550.59. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.